Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to be looking at multiplication lesson 2. We've been looking at multiplying the standard way. We first did a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number, then we did a 2-digit with a 2-digit. Today we're going to learn about a 3-digit multiplied by a 2-digit. Same kind of concept, you just got more numbers. So it takes a little longer, and all you have to do is be patient and keep remembering the steps. All right, so let's first start off. We're going to take the 7 times the 9 and get 63. Okay, I'm going to get my blue. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry the 1. And I'm going to introduce purple on this one since we have a third number. So 7 times 7 is 49 plus 1 is 50. Okay, now we're done with these. And we're about to move in the tens. So don't forget to put that placeholder, that 0. All right, get our pink out again. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 7 is 7. And then we just add 3, 12, 2, 12. So our answer is 12,223. All right, if I were you, I'd be pausing this video right now and making sure that I have 3 different colors. I know we used 2 last time, but or 3 last time. I would make sure you have 4 this time. Sorry about that. I had to think that through. All right, so here we go. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. And 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, moving on to our next number, we're going to have a placeholder. Now you're saying, why? I already have a 0 on this number up here. Doesn't matter, you're moving in. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. 7 times 0 is 0. Then you're going to go 7 times 1 is 7. And last but not least, 7 times 4 is 28. Remember to add 0, 8, 9, 11, and 3. So you get 3,109. Or sorry, I missed that. Put the comma in the wrong place. 31,980. Okay, let's try the next one. Getting your pink out first. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 8 is 8. Our placeholder. And then 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 8 is 24. Add together, and we're going to get 1, 6, 17, 5, and 2. We get 25,761. All right, now it is your turn to practice, but here's what I want you to do. I want you to make sure you have 4 different colors of colored pencils. And then I want you to work these out. Pause the video, then come back and see if you got them correct. Make sure you also have a highlighter for the last, okay? All right, so here's what you should have done. Let's start. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 0 is 0. And 4 times 4 is 16. Remember to move my placeholder. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. And 7 times 4 is 28. Now time to add. We get 8, 4, 7, 9, 2. So you should have gotten 29,748. Now, remember, I told you you're going to need a highlighter. This is where I want you to pause the video again. I want you to look over what I've got, look over what you got, and find your mistake if you did not get this. If you got this, that's great. Just go ahead and give yourself a good smiley face with your highlighter. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one, 8 times 8 is 64. Carry the 6. Then we get the next color. So 8 times 9 is 72 plus 6 is 78. Carry the 7. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 7 is 55. Now we need to make sure we put our placeholder. Good job. And here we go. 5. Get rid of what we've already used. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 4 is 49. Carry the 4. And 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4 is 34. Now we are ready to add 4, 8, 14, carry the 1, that's 10, carry the 1. This is supposed to be a comma. I don't know why I put my comma there. Or there. Whew, Mrs. Lee. Okay, so 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 4 and 1. So my answer is 140,484. Again, if you did not get this answer, I want you to go back, look at mine, look at yours, compare them, find the mistake, and highlight it. If you did get it right, this time I want you to give yourself 2 smiley faces. All right, I'll see you back here for lesson 13. Go ahead and head back for class craft and continue on your pathway.